Hey everybody. So it's been 4 long weeks, but I am back to making videos in YouTube. And during those 4 weeks off, I've made $3,259 from doing nothing. So I thought a good way of doing this first video back after the 4-week hiatus is basically explain how I made that money throughout June. It's the 2nd of July now that I'm filming this. How I made that $3,259 throughout June by doing nothing, showing you how you can do it too, and then basically talking through my time off and the plans for the future moving forwards. So this is a short video, basically just coming back and doing an announcement video that I'm back on the YouTube channel. So I thought I'd do something new and try a handheld video on my phone and see how this holds up. And if it's good, I'll do some more like this in the future. If not, I'll go back to using the digital camera. And yeah, basically, it's been a really useful 4 weeks off. It's given me time basically to reflect, think what I'm gonna do forward in the future, strategize how I'm gonna be able to make more passive income in the future. And also, it's basically given me time to realize that I was spending a lot of time on the channel and it wasn't giving me enough time to do things outside of the channel. And at the end of those 4 weeks, having made $3,259 in those 4 weeks, having made $3,300 the month before and $3,300 the month before that from doing lots and lots of work, it's basically made me realize that I have this source of passive income coming in where I don't have to be attending it all the time and it's still making me money. And that source of passive income is this YouTube channel. So if you want to know exactly how I made that $3,259, if you look below in the description, it's breaking down every stream of income that I have set up and it shows you each bit of money that's come in and how it's made that total of $3,259 in June. But the overarching theme that basically ties all that stuff together is that it all is coming from this YouTube channel, whether it's direct revenue I'm making from YouTube Adsense, whether it is affiliate links in my videos that people are clicking and going and buying products, whether it's a info product that I've made myself that I'm promoting through my videos and people are going ahead and buying, the money is coming through this YouTube channel. So that's exactly how I've made that $3,259 in the last 30 days from doing nothing. Is my YouTube channel just kept ticking over and made me near enough equal amounts of money. Now, when I announced I was stopping videos for 4 weeks, 4 weeks ago, I got some comments in the comments of that last video saying, but YouTube is your main source of income. You're gonna lose your money. I'm worried that I don't want you to lose your income. Think again, don't stop your YouTube videos. And they were like justified concerns. But as much as I appreciate that feedback, I built this YouTube channel up to be a passive source of income. So the types of videos that I've been making in the past up until this point are videos that aren't seasonal, they aren't time sensitive. So I could make a video today and it would be equally relevant and interesting in 1 year's time, 3 years time, as it is on the day that I released that video. So it's these videos, they're called evergreen videos. Basically, it means people are gonna be watching them. The topics, the content is evergreen, it lasts forever. And that's a strategy I've been following since day one with this YouTube channel, making videos on topics that people are going to be watching for a long time. And because I did that in the past, even though I've stopped actively recording videos over the last 4 weeks, those old videos are still getting watched, so I'm still making my revenue every month. So that's exactly how I've made that $3,259 in the last 4 weeks. Is my passive income source. This YouTube channel kept running without me attending to it every day. It just keeps running in the background and it kept making me that money. So what did I learn over those 4 weeks away? What have I actually been doing? I haven't been directly making any YouTube things, like videos or YouTube related stuff, but I've been doing other things indirectly that I think are going to help me in the future. So what have I been doing in the last 4 weeks? So first off, I've been thinking, I've been reflecting, and I basically realized that I was right to make that decision 4 weeks ago. I was spending too much time on the YouTube channel and it was taking away from me having time to do other things. So I basically realized that coming back, I need to spend less time on the YouTube videos and more time working on businesses as a long-term strategy. So now that I'm back making videos, I'm only going to be doing 1 video a week now, rather than the 3 a week that I used to do, because it was just taking up too much time filming, writing the scripts, uploading the videos, making the thumbnails, writing the descriptions. All of that was taking so much time, it wasn't giving me enough time to do businesses outside of YouTube that I could then report to you viewers. So that's the first big revelation that the 4 weeks have given me. It's basically made me decide to come back after this 4-week hiatus and just commit to doing 1 video per week. And just doing that 1 video per week means I'm gonna have way more time to make other businesses. So I'm gonna come back with 1 video a week. I'm deciding on the day still that I should upload that video, whether it's Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays, on the weekend. Probably gonna put a poll actually. It's gonna be up here or here. Go into that poll and tell me what day of the week is best for you. When would you like me to drop my video on YouTube in the week? Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll put the days in the poll and you can choose the day that would best suit you. But yeah, from now on, I'm just gonna be doing 1 video a week moving forwards. And then outside of YouTube, I'm gonna actually be doing other businesses. So in the last 4 weeks, I've been doing things like updating my website, startingup.com. I've been writing blog posts to try and get Google traffic onto my website through those blogs. That is going to be a strategy I'm going to be pursuing more to try and get more visitors to my website, which I can then send to this YouTube channel to build the YouTube channel faster. And also I can put adverts on my website and make money through my website. I've also been working on planning out and writing new information products. So I want to make short video courses around the $9 to $15 mark for you, really going into detail over my shoulder and showing you advanced techniques and strategies on topics that I think you're going to be interested in moving forwards to help you get to where you want to be. So making those info products and working on the blog, the website, working on capturing people's emails through the blog is what I've been doing the last 4 weeks. But what am I going to be doing moving forwards? Now that I've reduced this to 1 video a week moving forwards, what is my plan? Well, outside of YouTube, I want to start doing a few things. First off, I want to start building a software company. I've been saying this for years, but I've just never had the time with university and with YouTube. But I think software is one of the best ways of making passive income. Making an online tool, an online website application that people have to pay to use. You're going to be getting monthly income from their monthly subscriptions every month. Even though you build the product once, people are paying to use that product every month. So I really want to go ahead and build a software product. So that's going to be one business I'm going to be pursuing in my free time. And next up, I really want to learn about 2 of the best sources of passive income that I believe are out there: real estate and investing. I put out a question to the community on Instagram, on YouTube community tab the other day, asking people to recommend me their favorite real estate YouTubers and their favorite investing YouTubers. And I'll put some of the results up now. I've gone ahead and I follow people like Graham Stephen, Meet Kevin, who does real estate, Samuel Leeds, who does real estate in the UK specific. I can't remember some of the investing people I follow, Rich Dads, and a few others. I'll put them on screen now in images. But if you have any real estate or investing YouTubers that you can recommend, let me know in the comments below, because I'm really going to start jumping in to trying to build a real estate industry, like a real estate empire, and also to get into investing. So if you have anyone that you would recommend going ahead and learning from, leave their YouTube channel in the description below, and I'm going to go ahead and start learning that and reporting it back on this channel. So moving forwards, strategy for the channel, what you can expect is more passive income tips backed up by me actually building businesses and having that business expertise that I can pass back to you through the channel. So I'm going to be reporting on how the software business goes. I'm going to be continuing to do affiliate marketing, making affiliate marketing income. I'm going to be learning about real estate, learning about investing, whether it's cryptocurrency, stocks, bonds, all of that sort of stuff, and passing that information back to you. So still a passive income focused YouTube channel, but videos 1 day a week, the date of the week to be decided by you by using the poll that shows up on this video. And yeah, I'm just super psyched to be doing 1 day a week and actually having the time to build stuff outside of YouTube. I think it's going to benefit me. It's going to create more sources of income for me, and it's going to benefit you because I'm going to actually have more experience to talk about on this channel. So it ended up being a 10-minute video when I didn't expect it to be that long, but that's what I've been doing. That's how I made the money doing nothing this last 4 weeks, and that's my plans for the future. Any comments, please let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And if you want to start a passive income YouTube channel like me that makes money even when you're not making videos, then you can get my free YouTube training in the description below to learn how to do just that. So thanks for hanging around for 4 weeks, guys. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think of the more shaky, handheld but raw videos. I thought I'd try something new this week to sort of come back with something different. Really appreciate you watching. Speak to you soon. Peace out.